Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are coming to you live from the Meralco Theater, only here on the Kapuso Network. This is the 36th Metro Manila Film Festival Awards Night. Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And Chard, tonight is very exciting dahil hindi lang kasi for the first time and mag-host tayong tatlong magkakapatid.
Yes.
But there are also a lot of changes this year sa MMFF. Kabilang na dyan ang nomination process, ang criteria for judging at ang pagpapalabas ng 5 indie films a week before the actual festival. That is great, Mon. Here is a glimpse of the outstanding works of 5 filmmakers vying for the 100,000 peso prize for Best Independent Film.
Miguel! Can't hear him! Jose! Nasaan ka? Kuya Miguel mo to! Sumagot ka, Jose!
Gusto kong ini-imagine saan sila mapupunta after mga 10, 20 years.
I don't know if any one of us is capable of great things. Ikaw naman kasi itong di nagpaparamdam after graduation.
Busy.
Henry, kamusta ka na?
Patients with your kind of tumor are lucky to have a maximum of 2 years to live. I suggest that you undergo radiotherapy as soon as possible.
Na, hindi po is tumor. Meron po akong brain tumor. Mamamatay na po ako. Nak, basta ako. Kailangan alamin mo yung kung anong galing mo.
On stage right now are the 5 indie filmmakers holding their certificates of recognition. We have directors Adolf Alex Jr., Noriel Harito, Jonah Lim, Romel Sales, and Gerald Taro. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. And to present our first set of awards for Best Independent Film, Child Performer, and Production Design, please welcome Robbie Domingo and Bea Binene.
We are very proud to announce the very first Metro Manila Film Festival Best Independent Film with a prize of 100,000 pesos. The winner is Presa, directed by Adolfo Alex Jr., written by Agnes de Guzman.
Good evening po. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga jury na pumili po para sa aming pelikula at sa MMFF po para sa pagbibigay pansin para po sa mga independent films. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa mga naging artista po ng presa, lalong-lalo na po kay Miss Anita Linda, sa aming writer si Agnes de Guzman, at sa aming producer si Tito Ding ng Astral Productions, at sa lahat po ng mga naging artista namin sa loob ng Women's Correctional. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you, sir. Now on